How do I live? Oh man, this is an exciting one. This is a real unboxing experience. The Star Wars branded, the Star Wars limited edition Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We're dealing with the type of thing that Unbox Therapy was invented for, Will.
Yeah.
To capture an unusual, a unique unboxing experience like this one might just be. I was asking Will, I said, did he get slashed? Kylo Ren gets slashed on the face here. I spin around the box, you can see in this location over here, made in Korea. Of course, we're gonna find out in a minute here. Just gonna slice both sides like that. And look at this. Oh, it's cracks. It was cracks in the helmet was hidden. Look at that. That's Kylo Ren, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you the dark side.
Menacing.
It's fun. It's a bit of fun. That's what they're doing. Okay, not everybody's gonna be into Star Wars, but it's still fun anyways. Ooh. Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. You have the stars on the lid. A leather case by the looks of it. And it got this embossed logo on the back. Kylo Ren-esque. Well, look at that. That's nice with the silver. And if you flip it around, you get the logo on the inside as well. Lucasfilm, obviously. This is a plaque. Did we receive a plaque? It's definitely metal. Why is his helmet all busted up? Are people mad at me right now? Is this well known? Kirk says he might have smashed the helmet. So.
Yeah, and then he repaired it.
Smash and repair. The old smash and repair. Okay, very cool. I'm into it. We lift up the box into the next section. Oh, one of these activities. You never know what you're gonna get. That's a 10-cent tap. And look at this, with a drawer. You want a drawer on your box? You know what you gotta pay for a drawer on your box? Ooh, I'll take it. Galaxy Buds over here and Galaxy Note 10 Plus over here. Well, first off, let's check out these Galaxy Buds. Oh, there we go. That'll do. Ooh, so you got the red. You got the special red on the inside. It's a black and red vibe.
That looks really cool.
It's fit for Kylo Ren. This is how he would roll.
Under the helmet?
Under the cracked helmet is the dark side. And you can see we're starting to accumulate various cool items here. Right. Ooh, okay. Whoa, all right. Definitely not a standard edition. Red accent over here underneath the camera module. And I see that following through to the buttons over on the side. It's like a midnight. What do they call it? What are they calling this color? It's like a mirror black thing going on, depending on the angle where the light is hitting it. So the whole thing is very blacked out with the exception of the red accents that are on there.
There's also the pen.
What happened with the pen? Okay, that's a nice little accent. So just you know, it's Star Wars edition. You pull it out, Kylo Ren edition. You pull it out, it's the dark side in your pocket.
Yeah, it's a red lightsaber.
It's a red lightsaber. You did it this time, Will.
Yeah.
You really did it.
Yeah.
You set this up, didn't you? We call it a lightsaber, and we make it red.
Yeah.
You had that conversation.
Oh, yeah.
Well, don't lie to the people. You didn't have it. You have the wired AKG headphones. They're giving you all kinds of stuff in here. Braided cable, also interchangeable ear tips in there. Yes, I am correct. It is a Type-C connector into your device. That's an in-ear style, fairly large driver. It's got the AKG branding, so you know they paid some attention to it. I can see people actually gravitating towards this headset for the discerning listening, when they really want to get down. Do you know about the deep records?
The stuff that's on wax?
Yeah, the stuff that's on wax. Super fast charging capable power brick. Of course, this phone also features wireless charging itself. Look at this. Look at this little... Kirk, you never saw a box like that. There's some origami stuff going on. You don't know anything about that. That's the migration. Takes Type-C, turns it into traditional USB. That goes there. Oh, how do I live without you? How do I know? Look at the packaging! You can't do something like that on a daily basis. Barely get yourself out of bed. These are extra nubs for the S Pen. There's a black one and a gray one. Will, I know you appreciate that.
That's impressive.
I know you appreciate that. You might call me crazy here, but am I missing a SIM tool? Oh, of course. Of course they're not gonna forget that. When you have packaging like this, there's no chance you're forgetting that.
No.
This whole scenario is really tempting me to potentially live the Galaxy Note lifestyle. spreadsheets. 1 plus 2. That would be me. Then you take the lightsaber, you do this, you put it in a pocket, you're done. The other guy, he's still
He's still using his nubbin.
These. Who wants to use these things?
Sausage fingers.
And who wants to use those? So I think this is Samsung's stock leather case. Yeah, it feels to fit the same way. It seems to fit the same way. Some pretty slim cutouts for the camera, of course, the flash as well. Let's go ahead and boot this up. You know what, Will? The Note is a nice phone. I'll tell you what. Give me a MSRP, mister. Why don't you?
For this?
Yeah, $12.99, baby. You gotta pay to play. I think Flossie Carter says that. You gotta pay to play. It's true. And oh, check it out. Dark Side RC applying the theme. So we do get, oh baby, special sound effects. Already you know this isn't a standard Note by the background, but then also the icons. You see the black and red carries through over here. And even a lot of the system icons, as you can tell. Many contacts, look, you get the helmet for the contact, for your squadron.
You pull down too.
What's that?
Pull down from the top.
Holy, sound effects for notifications are super sci-fi. Okay, we come down. And same thing carries through into the theme deeply here as far as the black and red vibe. Okay, unlock. You got the Kylo Ren. It's the busted helmet. He doesn't care. He's angry. Check out those dudes. You all mess with those dudes? Man, I think they did it. I think they nailed it. It's a cool package to put together. I told you already it's going to cost you. Of course it's going to cost you. What did you expect? There's a drawer on the box. I mean, this one over here already cost you. The Rainbow Factory already cost you. They know you spent a few dollars when they see this because it's yellow, then it's red, then it's pink. They know that wasn't free. And then this one, on the other hand, they still know it's something special. Now they start thinking, okay, maybe something's up here. Let alone, if you crack the Galaxy Buds, now they know you get the Star Wars edition. I don't even think you need to necessarily be the biggest Star Wars fan to appreciate the whole way the thing is put together.
It's a nice little package.
Yeah, there's a lot going on.
There's one more thing though.
You dropping one more thing on this show now?
Oh yeah.
Like with the finger as well?
Just take out the S Pen and you'll find out.
Will he do? He's promising a lot. We take out the S Pen. (2019), ladies and gentlemen.